Okay, welcome back. So we are going to continue. I'm going to teach you how to create WhatsApp broadcast. Okay, how to create WhatsApp broadcast. You've created WhatsApp channel, I believe. So if you have not watched a video on how to create a WhatsApp channel, go and watch it. Okay, good. Then this is how to create a WhatsApp broadcast. Before we do that, WhatsApp broadcast is a feature on WhatsApp that you can use to send message to your friends on WhatsApp or to your customers on WhatsApp. Okay, you can send with WhatsApp broadcast. You can send a message to them, and they will see it as if you are chatting them personally, but you are sending messages to a lot of people. For example, let's say if you have 100 customers, 100 customers, then you send broadcast to the 100 customers at once. All the 100 customers will get that message at once, but each of the customer will see it as a direct message. They will not see it as a broadcast unless you tell them. Do you understand? So it's powerful if you use it well. So I will still tell you more about how to use it, but this time let's talk about creating it, how to create broadcast. Before you create it, I believe you already have your customer's contact in your phone, because you have to put your customer's contact in the broadcast. Alright, now this is how to create the broadcast. You open your WhatsApp business. Okay, you go to this three dot, you click on new broadcast. So once you click on new broadcast, the WhatsApp will load. It will display all the contact in your phone. My own might take some time because I have a lot of contact in my phone, so it's trying to generate all of them. Okay, so I have to be a bit patient for it to generate. Okay, maybe I will pause it, and after generating I will on it again. Okay, so my customers are here. I mean, these are my friends, both my friends and my customers, those that have my number. One more thing you need to know is that in WhatsApp broadcast, if you send a broadcast to a lot of people, only those that save your number will get it. If anybody that doesn't save your number will not get it. That is why whenever somebody buys something from you, try to make sure that the person saves your number, so that the person can view your WhatsApp status and they receive your WhatsApp broadcast. Okay, alright. So now you are now going to go through all the contact in your phone. Select the one that you know is your customer. Don't select everybody, select only your customers. Okay, you can select, let's say if this person is my customer, I'll select it. If this person is my customer, I'll select it. Select only your customers. So go through your phone, select only your customer until you must have selected. If you select up to 256, it will tell you that the contact is full, that the broadcast is full. You will not select more than 256. So what you do is that you create, if you have more than 256 customers, and 256 customers, then you would have to create another broadcast to complete selecting the rest of the customers. Okay, so you select as many customers as possible until you must have selected all of them, or you must have gotten to 256. Then after you have selected all the customers that you have, then you click on this button. Okay, once you click on this button, it will now show the number of customers you've selected here, and this is your broadcast. If I type something here now, these 6 persons will receive the message if I type any message here. Okay, but don't just type in anything, because maybe I will still tell you how to use it later. Let's finish up how to create. Then after you must have gotten here, the next thing you have to do is I have to come here, click on rename customer. Okay, sorry, just click here, click on top of this recipient. Okay, it will bring you to this place. You see that it is untitled list. That means you have not given it a name, so you have to give it a name. Okay, so you now come here, click on change broadcast list name. Then you type in the name, let's say customers, auto customers, for example, or whatever customers. Just you select your customers for a particular product, then or you select your customer for all the product, or just say customers. can just say customers, okay, or auto customers, whatever you want to call them, but remember what to call them. Okay, customers broadcast. Do you understand? Then after doing that, okay, so the broadcast is created. Now you now have a broadcast. If you go to your chart now, if I should go back to my chart now, so you're going to see broadcast on top here. You understand? You're going to see a broadcast on top here. But while you are chatting people, you are chatting. When people are chatting, you are chatting, then the broadcast might go down at the bottom. Okay, but the important thing is just remember the name of the broadcast. Anytime you want to send message to your customers, just come here, search for the broadcast. If you are not seeing it on top here, just click here, you search for it. Once you search for it, it will appear. Once you type in customers, it will show. Then you click on it, it will open. Then you type in whatever you want to send and you send. Okay, some of the things you are going to send, maybe I will be creating them once in a while. When you need to send a broadcast and you need me to craft a message for you, then you tell me, then we see how we can do it. I can create a message for you, then send to you, then you forward it to your broadcast. But then I want to explain to you the reason I'm making these two videos for you. I want to teach you how to use both channels and broadcast together. Okay, now that you have created a channel, the first thing you are going to do is that you are going to go to your WhatsApp channel, copy the link and paste it here. Okay, copy the link from the channel, then and send the broadcast to all the customers you created. Okay, send broadcast to all the customers you've created. I will craft a message for you, the message you are going to use. Okay, and the message will be telling your customers. But the first thing is just create WhatsApp broadcast, create WhatsApp channel. Okay, after you have done the two, then you let me know, so that I will now create a message for you. Then you copy the broadcast, put in that message, or you can copy the broadcast and send to me. Yes, copy the broadcast link, send to me. Once you are done creating not the broadcast link, the channel link. Once you are done creating the WhatsApp channel and the WhatsApp broadcast, what you do is you go to WhatsApp channel, enter your WhatsApp channel, you copy the link. There you are going to see the link, you copy it and send to me. Okay, so when you send it to me, I will now use it to create a message for you. Okay, then you copy that message and paste in your broadcast. Just come and open your broadcast, paste it. All your customers will get it. So when they get it, the message will be for them to subscribe to your WhatsApp channel, so that when next you post your product in your WhatsApp channel, they will see it. You understand? Please do not be tempted to start posting a lot of things in your WhatsApp broadcast. If you do that, your customers might be pissed off. They might be, because it's the private, you are kind of chatting them direct. They are getting your messages all the time, and they might not like it. So the safer way is to post in your channel. You only run broadcast once in a while. You can run your broadcast, send a message to your broadcast maybe once in 2 weeks or once in 1 month, something like that. Don't send it all the time. But in your channel, you can be sending like 3 times a week or something like that. Okay. Even though in what we are managing for you, WhatsApp channel is not part of. WhatsApp is not part of what we are doing for you. But I'm just trying to help out to make sure that business works. Okay. So after you must have created your channel and your broadcast, then if there are other things I'm also going to introduce to you, how I can also be helping out. Okay, if you are willing to maybe pay for the service. Okay, but for now, just these things are what you can do by yourself. Okay, the only area will help you is creating the message you are going to use for it. Do you understand? Thank you so much. So once you are done with creating your WhatsApp channel and your WhatsApp broadcast, send me your WhatsApp channel link, so that I will use it to create a message you are going to post to make your customers subscribe to your channels. Okay, Thank you so much.